Hello everyone. So today we're going to go over the like operator, and it's paired with the where clause. So what is the like operator used for? I would call it more, it's sort of a flexible way to filter your records. So for example, in our last video, we went over the where clause, and that's when we had, if we were searching or filtering a record, we would have to type exactly what we wanted in to filter by it. So for example, in courses, if we wanted to filter by chem, we'd have to go where equals and exactly type in chemistry, right? Chem. But as you can see, I've added in another record with a course, another course starting with C. This is obviously totally made up, but if someone were to ask you, well, I want all of the courses that start with C, and you don't know what all the courses that start with C, so how could we go about answering that question? Well, here's where we could use the like operator. So let's jump right into an example here. So if someone asked, what are all the courses that start with C? So we could say select all of the columns from the student table where the course column is like. This is where the like operator comes in, where it's like. And we have to put it in quotes. And we could type C because we want to start with C. And there's two kind of options here. We can start using underscores or the percent. I'm going to go over both in this video, but let's start with the underscores. So we know that CJJJ has 3 letters after the C, and chem, H-E-M, right, C-H-E-M, has 3 letters after the C. So if you could use the underscore for specifying the number of characters. So 1, 2, 3. So 3 underscores would indicate 3 characters after the C. Let's run that and see what happens. And there we go. There we have it. We can see that we have the 3 characters after C, and any other course that has 3 characters after the C would appear here. So what would happen if we were to just select 2 underscores, right? 2 underscores after the C. Well, let's take a look. So student where course is like C and only 2 underscores, right? Do we have any courses with C and then only 2 characters after? Well, we don't, and that's reflected here in our result because there's no results. Now, let's say we didn't know how many characters. Sometimes there could be 3 characters after the C, there could be 4, there could be 5, who knows? Is there a character that we can use to search for that? That's the percent. So if we say where course is like, and this time we put C with a percent, that's 1 or more, or I think it's 0, 1 or more characters. And now we don't have to specify the specific number of characters. So if we hit go here, we will get C with all, any course starting with C and any number of characters after. That's awesome. Another way we can kind of use this is you can combine the underscores and percents in any way you'd like. So that can depend on the context of your search that you're doing or the way you want to filter. But I'll just show you just one other possible thing to do here, where course is like. And let's say we want to find any number of characters before the letters H and E, and then grab any number of characters after that, right? So chem, C-H-E-M, this should grab chem, but the CJJJ should not show up here because that course, CJJJ, doesn't have HE in it at all. So if we run this one, and there we go. See, we can see that CJJ didn't show up, but chem showed up because it grabbed the C, and there happens to be 1 character before and after, so it grabbed those. Any number before or after, where HE is in between. Awesome. So today we covered the like operator. Next time we'll look at the in operator. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you're enjoying this series so far. If you are, please like and subscribe. I will see you guys in the next one.